baby. Southern Cali, baby. Yeah, that's how we do. Come on, yeah. It's the 805 boys coming through with another one. West Coast track, said you like a heart attack, get them bouncing. This is what we came to do. Got the funk for your trunk, riding low off in a blunt, smoking on the skunk as we dip and swerve. West Coast killer Cali, baby, thought you heard. What's the word on the street? We getting down on the beat. Got the rhythm that'll make you wanna move your feet. Get them bouncing like the pound, bow wow, tat out. How you like me now? I'm in the mix up in this bitch, scratching fleas off my collar, cause these suckers make me itch. Which way out west, where we dip and glide? You wanna take a little ride, that's what it's all about. We're going hard on the grind and that's without a doubt. Perfection is perfected, I'ma let them understand. Generating dollar bills and stacking up is the plan. I'm internationally known to rock the microphone, plus them flows to them hoes in different area codes. Got them shaking like a fiend, coming down with the Jones. Slap it down on the table and I'm yelling out bones. Dominoes, motherfucker, go and pay me in cash. Collect my grip, hit the dough and dash. Mash out on the west with the G-Funk, we the best. Baby, double SOL will never settle for less.
Yeah, get your paper, get your paper. Fuck them haters, fuck them haters. Just keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing. If your girl on a trip, if your girl on a trip, tell her she got a dip, tell her she got a dip. And keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing.
That's the way that we roll. Me and Little Chino, we in it for the Cino. Scraping in the low, fuck a fucking benzo. Southland riding, you can find me on the west coast. That's right, homes, I'ma keep this shit rolling. Won't stop rapping till my pockets get swollen. Small styles alive, gonna keep this shit golden. Street hustle records, the business still growing. Me and Little Chino been down since day one. I know that motherfucker since I was a young buck. If you're messing with my cheese, then you're pressing your luck. Been in the game for a minute, time to blow the fuck up. Down to make a quick buck, I'ma make that shit double. We back in the house, you know you in trouble. Haters won't hack, we make them all crumble. All about my cheddar, so I'm clutching my bundles. Forget these motherfuckers living off mom and dad, cause I ain't even 21, I stay at my own pad. I make my own grip, I buy my own shit, I'ma hustle till I die. I put that on my kids, I gotta scrape up all my money, cause it's checkout time. We back on cue, we never falling behind. In green paper I trust, so fuck nickels and dimes. If you're all about your money, toss it up in the sky.
Yeah, get your paper, get your paper. Fuck them haters, fuck them haters. Just keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing. If your girl on a trip, if your girl on a trip, tell her she got a dip, tell her she got a dip. And keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing. Get your paper, get your paper. Fuck them haters, fuck them haters. Just keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing. If your girl on a trip, if your girl on a trip, tell her she got a dip, tell her she got a dip. And keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing, keep it bouncing.
805 310 562 Compton, Long Beach. Cats that bounce. Yeah.
Still bouncing down the block with my homies. Gotta keep it real, waste no time with no phonies. About to get lonely, so I'm riding with my dogs. Keep that shit bouncing off the clean wild walls. On a creep, I'm a bosses, keep this shit rolling. Through Southern Cali, all these streets we patrolling. I'm an 805 rider for those who ain't knowing. Keep this shit banging till early in the morning.
Y'all ain't on, but the way we patrolling. Straight rolling, dipping in a Chevy. Bouncing, sliding, 805 gliding. Through the south side and straight low riding. With my homies, it's all going down on a Sunday afternoon when we dipping through your town. Represent the brown and my Mexican pride. Everybody on the west coast down to ride.
If you're down to ride, call me up anytime. We can kick it, baby, just me and you, honey. And if you know my name, sing it once for me. S-M-S-O-L, doing big things.
It's the Auto Settle single, making all of the commotion. Everybody's drinking, everybody's smoking. You can't knock my hustle, I'm still California coasting. Riding in a Chevy, I'm with straight pimp loking. Cruising by the ocean where the ladies stay fly. Palm trees, ocean breeze, Southern Cali's on my mind. I just bailed out my car, so I'm ready to ride. Speeding through the fast lane, passing blunts, getting high. Little Chino hit the switch and keep that shit riding. 93-015, straight gliding. Straight south siding and scoping out the ladies. It's Big Daddy Pants rapping game, do you baby? My flow ain't stopping like these hoes keep chalking. Turn up the system, keep the ride keep the shit poppin', and every single time representing 805 the only way we know how.
If you're down to ride, call me up anytime. We can kick it, baby, just me and you, honey. And if you know my name, sing it once for me. S-O-L, doing big things.
Riding on the West Coast, cruising all day, bending corners on the red Chevrolet. It's another sunny day in the land of the palm trees, creased up G's with Dickies and white tees. Checking out the scene on a Southland weekend. Take it to the coast, cause the weather's getting hot. Summertime in Cali, it's about to pop. Party non-stop in the 805. We represent the coast that's down to ride. From the big dub C to the far east coast. Everybody kicking back, just taking toes, twisting spokes and blowing out smoke. It's an old school sample with a gangster twist. CA love, we put it down like this. Double S-O-L, West Coast for life. Smooth styles of life and we're gonna ride.
If you're down to ride, call me up anytime. We can kick it, baby, just me and you, honey. And if you know my name, sing it once for me. S-O-L, doing big things. Yeah, we doing big things. Ooh, we doing big things. Yeah.
Cali lifestyle. First things first, get your game right, then the rest will come. Then when we're ballin', then we'll have some fun. Then we'll be basking in the Cali sun.
First things first, I better grab my keys and get my cutlass off the ground and lock it up on threes. They're breaking necks up at the intersection. I spot a Chevy Suburban full of women looking back in my direction. Time to find out the 411. What's the haps? Let me know so I can put them in my West Coast rap. Hand claps, 808 kick drum and hi-hat, fat sax, and fully automatic round strap. Because hit the switch and let them know we in this bitch. Clear the path and gain momentum, raise it up another inch. You never seen a true player represented the way I do with a joint and a brew with a glass of Chabot. This is what we do for a living. Push a pin for the dividend I'm getting and keep that ass dipping. Still hitting at the top of the list. We don't miss, and you never seen a motherfucker flow like this.
First things first, get your game right, then the rest will come. And when we're ballin', then we'll have some fun. Then we'll be basking in the Cali sun.
Baby, you know me, I'm always good for the 2-0. Why you always think I'm sliding sick outside doors? Gotta get my money out for show. You thought nah, this is California, ain't where opportunity not. So what is this you got? I'm the single baller show. Never double triple X's when I'm holding for hoes. That's just the way it goes when I'm rolling 350 plus. Objective for civil, come up with more than enough. Those all around me catch the green eye, but still they wanna stay high. Pay me no mind when I ride, it's just the anger inside. Trying to keep a firm grip, cause I'm hearing it on the 86. Chickens couldn't lift my dick. Need I remind you, kid, we veterans, we seen it all. We was here when you came, and we be here when you fall. Let it be known, ain't no doubt, my team shine like strong steel. Flushing out all the fakers and make them hit for the
First
heels.
things first, get your game right, then the rest will come. Then when we're ballin', then we'll have some fun. Then we'll be basking in the Cali sun.
Cause business and pleasure that was made to go along. T-Dre get on the set and let it dumb know it's on. Recognize, play it back at the house studio. Turn up the speakers in my head and let me lay the vocals. Back them up, stack them up, and the deuces I'm wicked. Ain't nothing like a flow on a banging ass system. Profession out to a T with other First things first, do what we shoot and then we fly. So let me continue to bring you the shit and while I'm at
about it, don't be tripping, cause you'll get your wig split. I'ma keep it legit, S&B for life. Old school and house parties, the agenda for tonight. And then I'm outy in the morning when the sun comes up. With no regrets on what it took for me to get fucked up. We taking over this industry, tell me who the fuck can get with me and Dick, cause she can tell and keep it coming first.
Things first. Get your day right, let the rest will come. Then when we're ballin', then we'll have some fun. Then we'll be basking in the Cali sun. First things first. Get your day right, let the rest will come. Then when we're ballin', then we'll have some fun. Then we'll be basking in the Cali sun. But first things first. Wicked vibes. Here we go. Here we go.
It's another sunny day in California, ayy. I slowly roll through my neighborhood. Cut ahead, summertime and we fishing for some photo on a mission. And I'm still rolling in my expedition. Scoop up the big homie Lobo and little raps in Whittier Boulevard and drop some drags. I'm seeing brownies to my left and brownies to my right. What's up, mija? You wanna be mine tonight? That's how we do it all acá. Up in Southern California, LA, San Diego, all the way down to Tiguas. We gangsta, got feria and digging a mouse shit. 6 bald heads and some 40-ounce bottles. From my hood to yours, we all Southside. Hitting switches on chrome and we still low ride. We love in California like our hearts are blue. And if you ever come around, homeboy, you'll love it too.
Just another day here in California. G'd up, fine girls all by our side. Just another day here in California. So get yourself a drink, cause it's on tonight.
That's right. Rolling through the hood, got the cops on my ass. Hook a right turn and let the boys go past. It's a nice day in LA, but they still won't hesitate to hook me up with a court date. So I mash with caution and hit corners slow in the Cadillac like I'm mob bossing. Hyenas on the avenue looking at me, I'm looking back at them and I like what I see. Who's down to mess around? Watch me clown when the sun goes down. Nobody trips and nobody gets hurt, but no matter the weather, you know I gotta stay alert. Cause although it's the land of sand and surf, you get a hole in your man if you stand on my turf. Trying to disrespect that Southern California connect.
Just another day here in California. G'd up, fine girls all by our side.
G'd up, from the feet up. Whoa.
Just another day here in California.
California,
Get yourself a drink, cause it's on tonight.
Yo, check it. It's a whole nother day. I'm back up in ya. ODM Brown Royal IE representative. Welcome to the left coast. You're dead toast if you're messing with them Cali thugs, tripping on some white ghosts. Ain't nothing like that bomb diddy bomb bud. And the women got them bomb titties all good. I'm sipping Captain Mo in the sunshine, ducking from the one time I gotta bust one rhyme. The damn car shows will never be the same. Back in the day, your whole family could've came through. That's when Ice Cube performed at the Coliseum, and any rapper in the stands would've loved to be him. But I'm still riding in traffic, and fools with tight rides are still getting jacked quick. Another year goes by, and I'm old school. It's ODM representing that Cali, fool.
Just another day here in California. G'd up, fine girls all by our side. Just another day here in California. So get yourself a drink, cause it's on tonight. Baby, 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 yeah. Wicked vibes. Baby, 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 we got wicked vibes. Baby, 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 yeah.
Gonna make it bounce.
West side, we do it for the California G's and them low rise. Criminal with shade shots, stay high, stay fly. Chrome D spinning, bumper dragon when I straight by. I stay used to this lifestyle, I said it was coming, but this is my time right now. A celebration on these streets, and like the homie Shy said, this is where I wanna be, and it's a gangster party. Everyone can come free, so ladies, call up your friends. Make sure that you come deep. Hennessy and bottles of that Patron don't come cheap. But baby, we ballin' that in your Cali, so come see. I got signed to high power in 2001, and it's a party every day since this shit has begun. So put your bottles in the sky, have a toast with me. Roll a sticky kush up, come and smoke with me, yeah.
Cruising in the summertime, drinking, smoking, feeling fine. HPG up in the house, we gon' make it bounce. All this fame don't come for free, but this is where we wanna be. So put your money where it counts. We gon' make it bounce.
Yep, it's crime time. Criminal with Shay Shice. I know you see us, mommy, meet at a fucking great ride. Hey, Linda, mommy so bonita. So I pull out the Yave, walk up to try to meet her. When I pull up, get out. She got no I'm about to go down on her right in the middle of this club. When you ain't never had a thug and you ain't about to have one, I'm just trying to fuck. So when I get up out your pants, ho, then I'm done. Only love I know is my daughter. So fix your face, pick up these drinks. You know I bought you and prepared for the slaughter and the trip home after. Now she asking why a nigga so mean. If you ever been hurt, then you will feel like me. So go and find my homie with his head shaved clean, Mr. Criminal. Tell him you and me about to leave.
Cruising in the summertime, drinking, smoking, feeling fine. HPG up in the house, we gon' make it bounce. All this fame don't come for free, but this is where we wanna be. So put your money where it counts. We gon' make it bounce, make it bounce.
That's right, homie. Turn that shit up no matter where the fuck you at. No matter what, from the east to the west coast. I'm talking, no matter what the fuck you rolling. 13 by 7, that's right. 20s, 22s, 24s and up. Turn this motherfucking shit up, you know how criminal does it, yeah. Bring it to the motherfucking trunk.
Just another day posted up in the golden. Turn the volume up full blast if you rollin'. This is to the homies out neighborhood patrolling. Even to the ladies on the sunny day strolling. Gotta show love to my people having a good time, so pass me your Bud Light with a little bit of light. Hop in the 59, take a cruise down the street, something like a fleet. Got the car dancing to the beat. As I dip down the block, I smell the aroma of a barbecue, so you know I'm gonna roll up. No time for haters, all families just hold up. Ice chest full of Pepsi, wine coolers and Corona. Leave the pistol in the ride. This is nothing but good vibes. Old fun blasting, this is called the good time. For the rest of my life, I'ma keep having a good time. Had some good laughs with the homies, we gon' do it live. I'm gon' rep that West for life. That's how we do it, homie. That's how we ride. Throwing up that West side. That's right. I'm gon' rep that West for life. That's how we do it, homie. That's how we ride. Throwing up that West side. We gon' do it all day, homies. Rollin' till them wheels. So now we're coasting. Sunset night approaching. Blowing heavy smoke joints turn into roaches. Take a dip to the spot where the homies posted at. Older homies playing cards posted in the back, and I'm feeling alive. Yeah, I'm feeling the vibe. A couple of shots of whatever, and I'm feeling alright. Then I'm swerving, kinda slurring. Don't wanna drive, cause I might hit the curbing. Fuck up my wrist, so I get a designated driver. Toast, cause we made it. Celebration to them riders. And props to my one life. 805s to the 213. Do it daily, cause we lifers. To this low ride. West Coast lifestyle. Turn the music up full blast right now. And props to the homies out. Killing shit, card game sick. Make it last, take a flick of it. I'm gon' rep that West for life. That's how we do it, homie. That's how we ride. Throwing up that West side. That's right. I'm gon' rep that West for life. That's how we do it, homie. That's how we ride. Throwing up that West side. We gon' do it all day, homies. Rollin' till them wheels fall off. West, yeah, we ride like.
That's how we do it.
South side, keep them rides tight.
All day.
East side, make it shine bright.
Let them know.
Rise dancing in the moonlight.
That's right.
On the West, yeah, we ride like.
That's how we do it.
South side, keep them rides tight.
All day.
East side, make it shine bright.
Let them know.
Rise dancing in the moonlight. That's how we do. That's how we did when we rolled down the Broadways. Riders representing, posted up always. Props to my smokers on the street, smoking long J's. JL woofers in the back, subbing raw bass. And it's banging like a beat that I'm flowing too hard, like the concrete that them weeds growing through. There's a gang of shit out here that I won't go into. Make a wrong turn on the streets and they'll show you fool. I'm gon' rep that West for life. That's how we do it, homie. That's how we ride. Throwing up that West side. That's right. I'm gon' rep that West for life. That's how we do it, homie, that's how we ride. Throwing up that west side. We gon' do it all day, homies, rolling till them wheels fall off.
Yeah, 805 baby, we all the way live. Pinch, street hustle, chillin' with my homie Crazy Boy. Blue Rain in this bitch. Crime Family Entertainment. Yeah, we clicking up. Check it out. Yeah, we hold it down on the West Coast, baby. Plate scraping, haters can't fade me. It's in my blood, G, Southern Cali raised me. Sitting on these, hitting switches like crazy. Oh baby, we certified riders. I flick a switch and raise that ass a little higher. 2 licks, now we're hitting back bumper. 12 gauge pumps, and these fools want thunder. Oh no, who winning? Let the dogs loose, SoCal riders. Gon' lay it on you. Serve you up and tuck you in for the night. Got a full tank, so it's time to ride. Juiced up, you know we're bending corners. Candy paint dripping, riding Daytonas. Stepping up, best believe we gon' fold ya. Me and my dogs, some 805 soldiers. Still juiced up, still active. In the West Coast, we get it crackin'. Low riding all day in the sunny states. Shine it up, lock it up, and we out the gate. Still juiced up, still active. In the West Coast, we get it crackin'. Low riding all day in the sunny states. Shine it up, lock it up. Still juiced up, still active. In the West Coast, we get it crackin'. Low riding all day in the sunny states. Shine it up, lock it up, and we out the gate. Still juiced up, still active. In the West Coast, we get it crackin'. Low riding all day in the sunny states. Shine it up, lock it up, and we out the gate.
Still juiced up, still active. We gon' hit 'em with the motherfucking backflip. This 805, so you know we get it poppin'. Got 'em all watching, the motherfuckers jockin'. Let the frame up, get that shit hoppin'. California block stand local, we ain't stoppin'. How the motherfucking gang gon' get? If they fucking with the clicks, we can show 'em what it is. Rest in peace to all my real true ones. Wings over Cali, making sure we get the job done. The finish line, looking hella clear now. Been on my move for a whole lot of years now. No shedding tears now, we just came to marinate. Palm trees in my fucking view, got me staring straight. I'm from the earthquake state where the sun set. Cali on the push, get your grind on, then you flex.
Still juiced up, still active. In the West Coast, we get it crackin'. Low riding all day in the sunny state.